国际新闻来看，美国民主党的总统候选人何锦丽甲共和党的总统候选人川普，伫台湾时间今仔早起举行头一场，嘛是目前唯一的一场总统大选的电视辩论。何锦丽是批评川普引起美中贸易战，批评讲伊甲美国的晶片卖予中国。也毋过川普嘛呛讲，伊是甲台湾买。双方另外嘛针对移民、经济、外交议题来辩论。
美国总统大选第一场电视辩论由美国广播公司 ABC 主办，7日伫咧宾州的费城进行。贺锦丽甲川普上台了，互人真意外，先握手，先礼后兵。所以就选民上关心的经济问题互相辩论。
But the only jobs they got were bounce back jobs. She doesn't have a plan. She copied Biden's plan, and it's like 4 sentences.
Look at his economic plan. It's all about tax breaks for the richest people. That Donald Trump actually has no plan for you because he is more interested in defending himself than he is in looking out for you.
贺锦丽指控川普对进口产品加扣关税，会互通膨愈来愈悬，互中产家庭增加更加侪支出的负担。因那川普是讲，关税收入会当降低其他的税收，并且批评移民抢走工作。 讲非法移民大部分拢是罪犯，甚至有海地等国家的移民伫咧危害澳洲，甲人饲的鸟狗掠来食。伫错误加误导的信息，辩论主持人 ABC 主播穆尔加戴维斯这边拢立刻澄清，包括移民食听闻鸟狗的代志，讲无事实的根据。伫倒台的议题上，川普是无愿意表示伊是毋是支持全国的倒台禁令。 对有心6礼拜了禁止提囡仔的立场讲法无清无楚，严过伊指控民主党的立场伤过激烈，连出席了拢支持提囡仔倒胎。主持人戴维斯也立刻澄清，讲全美国无任何一个州会当合法抬死婴仔。伫中东战争一个国家议题，双方的炮火也真强。
Donald Trump is weak and wrong on national security and foreign policy. It is well known that he admires dictators, wants to be a dictator on day one, according to himself. It is well known that he said of Putin that he can do whatever the hell he wants and go into Ukraine, that these dictators and autocrats are rooting for you to be president again because they're so clear. They can manipulate you.
If I were president, it would have never started. If I were president, Russia would have never, ever. I know Putin very well. She hates Israel. If she's president, I believe that Israel will not exist within 2 years from now.
21个初五大选还有8礼拜，有一寡州就要开始提前投票。伫这么2个候选人提名了的蜜月期拢已经过去，支持率是恢复到正瓦滚的水准。这场辩论会对双方来讲，是机会也是风险。记者综合报道。